Hey everybody, from July 1st at Islands of Adventure for a Jurassic Coaster update. It's been just over a week since the last update, so we should see quite a few changes. One immediately noticeable off the bat is that Immelman way back has been completed, but here in the first half of the ride you can see that nothing really has changed except for that new crane, or new to that location at least, because it wasn't there before. It may have been in the first half of the ride, I really can't remember. But it could be there to complete the top hat because the tower crane is not tall enough to reach the highest point of the top hat, so we'll see. Now we'll head over to Popeye to get nice and cooled off since we are sweating out here.
Why are we really on Popeyes though, Mark? Because somebody was blocked out of Volcano Bay, and then where did we drive? Aquatica? Was Aquatica open?
It was at capacity.
Oh, closed. So it took about 2 hours to get to the park today because this fool doesn't know how. Oh!
That's how you go.
So yeah, I think that's a new crane to complete the top hat because that tower crane is not tall enough to reach the top hat. I could be totally off, that's a complete guess, but we might see this completed this week for that reason.
As we walk up to the new Velocicoaster here, we can see that the first half of the layout is totally complete track work wise, and a ton of rock work is about to go up everywhere around here. Looking at the first image here of a turn midway through the layout and that first tilted Immelman element going around it, you can see this pipe here, which could indicate the top of rock work, and it will go high. There's going to be a huge rock wall here as you walk up to this new ride.
That looks insane.
This shot showing the majority of the first half of this roller coaster, and straight in front of us that dive down into the second launch tunnel. A ride through of the first half of this layout. This rendering is not complete yet. There's of course more scenery that needs to go up around the track, and the track work still has a little bit of work to do, but you can get the general gist of how the first half of this ride will go through these elements. A quick look at some theming, the turn from the station on the left into this first show building on the right.
That is it from Islands of Adventure today. On this soaking closer. It's pouring. Goodbye. Thank you for watching as always. And until next time, see ya. If you've ever wanted to see Islands of Adventure empty, this is it. Should we go in the store? Don't know.